Today I'm making the easiest side because the holidays are coming up. I've got a 1-pound bag of the yellow Yukon Golds. I've got a bag of these red Bliss potatoes, and then I've got this like medley. You put it all in here in a crock pot. This is like, seriously, like the easiest recipe, guys. You're gonna love it. I've got a pack of ranch seasoning. Let's sprinkle that right on top of all these potatoes. You guys ready for the holiday season? We started making things for the holidays. I've got a can of beef broth here. I'm gonna take the lid off. Just pour it all over those potatoes and the ranch. Oh, amazing. And then I've got a packet of this pre-cooked bacon. You can cook bacon on your own, but might as well go ahead and take a whole packet of that. You're just gonna chop up the bacon. Oh, between the ranch and that beef broth and this bacon is starting to smell so good. I like using the pre-cooked bacon because it's not completely cooked all the way, but it's also not fully raw. And guys, like I said, this is the simplest recipe. We've got a stick of butter. I'll go ahead and get my butter slicer. Just push on down. Look at that, easier than slicing it. Go ahead and take all that off. Look, perfect. I'm just gonna put all these slices right on top of the potatoes. Let me know where you're watching from, and are you going anywhere for the holidays? Let me know that too. I'm not traveling, I'm actually staying in town. But this is the beginning of the horrible, horrible flights and trains. What's that movie? Planes, Trains, and Automobiles. Hopefully your holidays is not like that. Okay, so once that's all on there, guys, this is seriously the simplest thing ever. You're gonna put the lid on this, and then you're gonna turn this on high and set it and forget it for 2 and 3 hours. Wow, this is like the perfect side dish. Ranch bacon or bacon ranch potatoes. Look, when they look like this, here, I'm gonna show you. When the potatoes are like cracked like that, that's when you know they're done. Oh, these are gonna be so good, guys. Okay, so let me get a plate. Bacon ranch goodness. I'm gonna take one of these tiny little Yukon Gold potatoes. Just gonna cut into this like that. Wow. Crock pot potatoes, who'da know, who'da thunk, right? So steamy. Not super salty, very ranchy. That beef broth is really, really good. You should make a batch. The holidays are coming up.